Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add money from Wise to Payoneer. So first of all, make sure that you have, you're going to choose international. You're going to choose from 10 to, let's say, GBP. Press continue. Now, if you want to send it to your own account, you're going to press myself. And you can either choose a local bank account or an IBAN account. Now, of course, we're going to go with the IBAN because a local bank account will mean that it is your own, it is, yourself. Now, if you want to press someone else, it should be the same. It should be an IBAN account, and it tells you all of the details. Now, let's say you want to do the same currency, which most people want to do. You can connect a bank account with ACK. Or you can do a wire transfer, a debit card transfer, a credit card, or an international wire. So we want to do a connected bank account, which is ACH. Go to someone else. And here, all of these details will be onto their Payoneer account. So with the routing number, the account number, the if it's an account type, checking or savings, what country, etc. So it's basically the same as if you were to transfer to Revolut, to Wise, to Gcash, to any other of those electronic wallets. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.